All right, so when you get the beard trimmer, you're going to notice you've got some guards that say hair. All right, they say hair on them. You see that? There's two bigger guards that are for hair. And it also tells you how big they are on the bottom. You follow me? These are for hair, and that's that. All right, so now I've already got it on here, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how it comes off. I just pull it off, just like that. You see those two arms? These arms right here? They have to fit in these little holes on the side, and you slide them in like this, right? So this is for hair. Now, I can change it like that. You see that? So that changes where the blade's going to be. Now, if I turn it counterclockwise, it pulls it down. If I turn it clockwise, it pushes it up. All right? And this is for, doing your hair, right? So this is really close right now. So if I did that, I'd basically be balding myself. And I have beautiful long locks. I don't know if I want to do that, right? But anyway, that's how that goes on. So let me pop it off. So this one right here is for doing, you could do your beard with it, but it's for hair. Now you see the screws down there, don't let them fool you. The way you get the hair cutting one off is you push against it. And it just pops up, right? Like that. So let me get the smaller one. All right, so this is the smaller head. Let me show you the difference. Here's the two heads. I'll put them together. You can see how they're different, right? So we're going to use the smaller one now, right? So I'm going to go ahead, get the thing in the hole down here, right? Pop it on, bam. Now I'm going to get the smaller guards, the guards that go on this small one like this. So I've got to get it in those little holes, right? Right there and right there. So I got to have what? I got to have the beveled side down. So what I got to do is I got to mash those up like that, right? So here we go. We're going to slide it in, and there it goes. It's all the way down. And you can see right here, see, it's what it says on it. And if I turn it to the side, what does it say? Does it say bread? No, it says beard. So yeah, this one's for the beard. And then you can change it again, like watch. I can go higher or I can go lower. Right here, basically, it's going to shave my beard right off, right? But if I go a little bit higher on it, it's going to leave some. You follow me? So then I could go zzz right through there. I'm not going to do it because I already trimmed it. But anyway, so that's how that works, right? All right, so now to get the guard off, I just pull it. See, it says beard. Now here's another guard. So you got two beard guards, right? Let me show you here. Here they are, right? Whoops, let me do it like this. Here they are, right? And you turn them, and they say beard. Or do they say bread? Bread? Bread. Beard. So those are the guards for the beard. They won't fit on the bigger head, right? Let me just show you the bigger head. So the bigger head is bigger than these guards are. You follow me? You can't, that won't work with those two. So these two are for the beard, right? This is for cutting the hair. And these two are for the hair, right? So where's that? See, it says hair. Boom, there's the numbers on them. Hair, boom, those go with that. This one comes with these, right? This one here and this one here. So you got two. And that's how it works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.